A lot of you guys seem to have enjoyed my previous video about how to start dropshipping with literally $0. And a lot of you guys benefited too. But now the methods in the previous video are still not outdated. But I decided to do another one because I feel like with this one, I can actually provide 10 times the value. Because obviously as humans, like we grow, right? So I feel like right now, this is the best method to dropshipping with $0. So a few days ago, I got into this one copywriter's super expensive course. And basically by the end of the course, I'm like, this guy literally just exposed the best way to reach $1 million in 2023 and without all the headache. But he said you need at least like $15,000 in savings to pull it off. But I'm thinking, I'm like, wait a minute. If I combine the methods that he showed with the methods that I know, you can pretty much do this with $0 because the guy was a bit older. So he wasn't really super aware of today's new technology in terms of TikTok and all that stuff. Now, obviously, this is not a method that will help you get rich quick without the work. There is work. And if you're a viewer of my channel, then obviously you love work, right? Otherwise, like, are you an NPC or something? So the plan is in 3 steps. The first step of the plan is skill. Now look, there is a 0% chance of you succeeding in this online world without having a skill, like literally 0% chance. Luckily though, this skill doesn't require 4 years to learn. A good 3 months of learning this skill and studying it is enough to make good money. And that skill is copywriting. Now, someone else might come and they're gonna be like, nah, copywriting is not the skill. I made money through phone sales, or I made money through DM sales, or I made money through high ticket closing, whatever they say. Well, yeah, because they all work. But I'm picking copywriting because, to be honest, I'm not super familiar with the other ones. So I'm not gonna come here and talk about something I have no idea about. Like, it just makes 0 sense. They all make money, obviously. But if you're good at copywriting, then you'll notice that when you do dropshipping, it becomes like just 10 times easier. And if you get good at this skill, then like you're pretty much set for life. You'll always have the capability of making money from thin air. And the earlier you realize this, the more life you'll basically get to live. Now, I can't be spending an entire video teaching you how to do copywriting because this video would be 8 hours long. So what I did was every single resource I used to learn copywriting myself, I put them all in one Google Drive file and I put it all for you in the description below. So like 1,000 plus worth of material is literally in the description for you for free. So if you click there, it's literally just a Google Drive file and there's no email sign up or like after 1 billion likes, then I'll release none of that crap. Just take it and study it. Now, obviously I couldn't include every single thing there because some people, they don't want their material to be shared for free, but just know I included all the classical stuff anyway. So if you're going into someone else's copywriting course, just know that they basically took all the material from the classical stuff. So every great copywriter goes back to this stuff. So you're learning from the source and not like some diluted material. So enjoy. But the second thing I would do to learn copywriting super fast is go to ClickBank and try to read and watch every offer that is there. So just basically sort by gravity because this is going to allow you to see exactly what the books in the description are teaching. The ClickBank people are using this stuff in real time and in real life. And like, bro, those ClickBank chodis, they're already making millions of dollars like right in front of your eyes. And they're using the exact same material. So you're seeing something that is 100% working. Okay, now once you learn copywriting, first you should be able to understand exactly what works now and why does it work. And 2, you can actually pitch that service to businesses and make money with that. So if you're looking for extra cash, just make an IG, post 9 posts of you just talking about what you just learned in terms of copywriting, and the videos are going to be in Hormozy style. Go DM a minimum 100 people pitching your copywriting service and try to close them. People do this and they actually make like not that bad of money. But this is a side point. What we're going to focus on is step 2, which is your offer. So you know how I got into this copywriter's guy's course? So what he taught me is the fastest way to make $1 million, like literally this year, is not through a physical product. And like deep inside, I knew this. Because if you look back in time, like Ty Lopez, for example, he claims that he made $100,000 in his basement from selling a course. And ever since that, he was just hooked on it.
I did one live stream with an education product in my basement. And I remember like 500 people came on. I made $100,000 with an education course. And I was like,
Jason Capital made his first million through courses. Andrew Tate's net worth skyrocketed because he was selling courses. And if you actually notice, like every dropshipping guru, as soon as they sell a course, you'll see them like flexing their car immediately. Like, why do you think that is? And if you're in the fitness niche, you know Greg Doucette, who literally like blew up recently, he started selling cookbooks and all of a sudden he's like making more and more videos because it's working. So the pattern shows digital products are way more superior than physical products. Because one, there's no fulfillment and headache. And two, you get to keep 90% of the profits. And three, you can literally get started like right now before you even make the product. Now, the title of this video is dropshipping, which means I'm not going to show you how to create a digital product. I'll basically show you how to dropship it, but I'll show you that at the end of the video. Now, to sell the digital product, it's basically the same as selling a physical product, but I feel like there's more freedom in doing it. So what you do is this. First thing is pick your niche. Now, there's 3 rules around this. The first one is pick something that you actually get to enjoy. Like, don't go into tech stuff if you hate tech stuff. The second rule is this niche allows you to make money, and I'll show you proven niches that you can get into. And the third rule is pick something that you understand. Like, if you don't understand anything about tech, don't go into tech. Like, please, Habibi, make your life easy. Don't be a dum-dum. So I'll give you 9 proven niches that you can pick from. So here's the list: health, fitness, financial investments, make money online, dating, relationship, survival, prepper, hobbies like chess, guitar, golf, guns, language learning, and personal development. Now, when you pick any one of those, you don't just pick health and you're going to be like, oh, I'm just going to sell an ebook about health. Like, what the heck is even that? So what you do is go deeper. For example, like if you pick health, then you can get into sub-niches like weight loss for men above 40, weight loss after giving birth, thyroid health, diabetes or blood sugar, prostate issues, back or joint pain, memory loss, heart issues, testosterone, anti-aging, gut health, acid reflux, and etc. So these are all sub-niches that are proven to make you a lot of money. So you can literally create an entire business in one sub-niche, and it's going to be a big business. So there's actually a company selling testosterone pills to older men, and they're making, well, they claim to be making $18 million a year just from testosterone pills to older men. Now, the goal is to get into a sub-niche because this way it's actually a lot easier to compete. Now, let's say you picked your sub-niche. So you do the next step, which is go and research and find 5 competitors in that sub-niche. So do not ever start from scratch. Whatever you do, bro, don't ever start from scratch. So this is similar to what you've been taught in terms of physical dropshipping. Find a store that's already selling the products that you want to sell and basically model them and make things better. So do the same thing here. Find 5 other people who are selling the digital products that you want to sell in your sub-niche. Because think about it. Like, these people that you're going to be finding, other people are already giving them their money. So something is 100% working, and it's up to you to go and find out why. Once again, you don't have your ebook yet, but you're going to be selling an ebook because like it's not as saturated and it's a lot easier to handle. So trust me on this. So now, how do you find the 5 competitors? So you can find them actually maybe on ClickBank or Digistore or Warrior Plus. You can literally go to these sites and just search around, typing whatever keyword that's in your sub-niche, and just basically find them. Another way is to write your keyword in Facebook ads library and see exactly what are people promoting their ads on and what are they making people click on. And again, you want to find people that are actually selling a digital product in your sub-niche. Another one is to do the same exact thing but on TikTok, and another one is to do the same exact thing on Google, and another one, which is my favorite, is to do the same exact thing on Twitter. So it's just research, bro. Like, search the entire internet. You don't need a fancy tool for this. Like, just use your brain and the internet, and that's it. So like, I'm literally giving you the secrets of the greats here. Don't get stuck on like a freaking small step. So once you find at least 5 competitors, the goal is to model them 80% and then improve on the 20%. Here's what I mean. Now, let's say I'm selling an ebook that helps men quit their porn addiction. So that's actually a very good market, by the way, just so you know. So what I would do is find top 5 competitors. And what I actually did here is I went on Twitter and I just searched up quit porn and I found the top 5 competitors. So first one is this guy saying, quit porn in 31 days guaranteed without willpower. So he's selling a one-on-one coaching, but he could have just might as well sold an ebook using the same exact thing, like in terms of the headline and the whole sales letter. Another guy is selling a program he called the Permanent Shift System. So this is basically a permanent, personalized reprogramming process that helps you quit porn in 60 days and live the amazing life you've been holding back. Another guy is selling an ebook that says break free from porn in 22 days, and he's selling it for £29.99. And this other guy is selling a program called Sexual Energy Mastery for £30. And he says quit porn in 13 days or less without relying on willpower. And by the way, all of these are making 100% good money because their Twitter followers are above 10K. And typically, if you have at least 1,000 followers on Twitter, then you can monetize that and make a good living because like Twitter followers are not as easy to get. And they buy a lot too, by the way. So all of these claim that you can quit porn without using any willpower in a specific amount of days. And eventually you'll get to enjoy the life that you've been holding back. So if I come in and make a similar promise as these guys, there's no freaking way I'm not gonna come and like make at least $10,000. Because this is proven, bro. So if I come in and just improve on their offers, then khalas, I'm gonna make money. Now, the reason copywriting was the step 1 in this entire video is because it'll teach you how to improve on these offers. For example, you can actually improve on the mechanism here. So you know how all these people are saying quit porn without willpower in a specific amount of days? Well, if I do more research, I'll find that ancient Egyptians, what they used to do is that they used to make themselves horny and then they used to go and do work. And as a result, they would get so much more work done, which is pretty funny, by the way. I read that somewhere, by the way. So what you do here is come in and say something like, quit porn in 14 days using an ancient hermetic law. So in this case, we've made a completely brand new offer that no one has ever seen before. So this is an example of a promise mechanism, which you'll learn if you actually do the copywriting learning in the description. Or you can do the other thing here and use a problem mechanism where you could say the real reason you can't quit porn isn't because you're addicted and don't have willpower. The real reason is because you've been blessed with a higher than average sexual energy and you're just directing it in the wrong direction. Ancient Egyptians knew this, so they made themselves horny before work, and as a result, they created an entire empire. You can do the same in 30 days or less if you buy my 30-day Hermetic Sexual Energy Mastery ebook for $29.99. So this isn't perfect, but do you see where I'm going with this? Like, you're still making the exact same promise as the competitors, but like, bro, you have a completely brand new offer. Who talks about hermetic ancient energy laws and stuff like that? It's almost like you're coming in and introducing an entirely different product, even though the material is the same. So it feels different because like you're talking about something the ancient Egyptians have done. So like, do you see how powerful this is, bro? For those of you watching, like, congrats, Habibi. You better be sending me a message on Instagram with a testimonial using exactly what I just taught you. And again, this applies to literally every single product, not just like in this niche. Just do the same. Now, once you picked your niche, found 5 competitors, make a unique angle using exactly what I just showed you right now, and created a name for your ebook, now you gotta make the site to sell it. So I would use 2 things. The first thing I would use is Shopify, obviously, to host your site. The other thing I would use is Gem Pages to write your sales letter. So you do have to make a sales letter, bro. But don't be scared. This is what's going to allow you to actually sell. Your competitors, they have a sales letter, so it's definitely working and people are reading it and buying from it. Now, using your copywriting skills that I just gave you from the books in the description and from modeling other competitors, write out your sales letter on Gem Pages. Now, Gem Pages is just like, it's basically like ClickFunnels, but it's like the cheaper version. And bro, it has the same exact stuff. So once you write out the sales letter with nice design and all that stuff, make sure you include the ebook cover in the sales letter and a link that sends people straight to the checkout on Shopify. Now, for the cover, I would use Photoshop, and what I would do is find a picture on the internet that's free to use, that's related to your niche, and I would put a title on it like this one. And by the way, like, you've done all the research before, you found 5 competitors, so make something similar to what they did. But if you don't have Photoshop or you don't have Photoshop skills, just use Canva because it's free. So you have the sales letter and you have the ebook cover and name and you have the checkout. Now, I would use Zipify to create an upsell that would sell another product so you can make more money. And to do this, you literally just got to go back to the competitors that you found and see exactly what else are they selling and just include it there. Like, look, bro, you're modeling other people that have already found success, which is fine. Like, it's literally the fastest way to success. Don't overcomplicate it. Now, to fulfill the orders, whatever ebook you chose to sell, you're gonna go to this website called PLR and buy an ebook that's similar to what you're selling. But look, I would do this after I actually like get sales on my product. So you know how you already have like a product page, you have the images and all that stuff. I would try to get sales first. I wouldn't try to actually make the product first. I know some people are going to be like, but bro, like I want to make the product first and then do that. Don't do that. Sell first, then make the product. It's the fastest way to success. Truly. So on PLR.com, or whatever the domain is, it's going to cost you between $2 and $30, but it's very cheap. You buy it once, and then you just fulfill the orders, giving them that ebook, and that's it. But obviously, you can modify the ebook, which is the whole point. You're buying something that you have rights to, then you're changing the content of the book, and you're changing the book cover and the name, but it's almost like you're buying something that's already been pre-written, and then if you want, you can include the stuff that you want to include in it, in terms of like how to truly break free from whatever addiction and all that stuff. So this is one way to fulfill it, which is basically just to drop ship the ebook. Another way is, if you're so passionate about the niche, is you can come and actually write the ebook yourself. So fulfillment is super, super easy. Don't get stuck on this, bro. And one way I did this in the past is when I was selling this ebook that teaches people how to make money selling lashes to basically girls. I wrote the ebook myself, but the ebook wasn't even long. Like, I didn't put any fluff in it. I just put exactly what you need to do, and that's it. And I sold it for $97, bro. $97. And it's still sold. So don't be overthinking what's right in the ebook and how to fulfill it. Just literally write exactly what's going to get them results. And if you don't know how to do it and you're trying to write it out yourself, just go on Google, bro. Go on Google and search up the stuff, or go on ChatGPT and just ask it the stuff. It's not that hard. Now, for the final step in this 3-step plan to making your millions with digital dropshipping is to bring traffic to your sales letter. So the way we'll do this is actually TikTok. Now look, I'm going to show you an easy way to make content on TikTok that's not going to use much brain power. So what you do is, remember those 5 competitors that you found when you were researching? So I found the ones I showed you on Twitter. Twitter, by the way, is a great place to find people who are selling digital products, because a lot of people on Twitter actually buy digital products. So what I would do is go to these competitors and I would find their best tweets. So I would search on Google tweet sorter or something, and I would look for a site that would sort accounts based on their best tweets in terms of like likes or retweets. Then I would take the idea of the best tweets of whatever competitor that you found, and I would take that idea and turn it into a TikTok. So I would either turn it into a carousel post on TikTok or a video if the tweet is short. And this should get you views because, like, think about it. Those tweets went viral. So if you take those same tweets and put them on TikTok, they'll also go viral. By the way, most of these Twitter accounts, like if they actually come on TikTok and do the same exact thing, they would just get more followers and get more traffic to their products. I don't know why they don't do this. Like as a result, they can grow their TikTok page and get more sales on their actual product too. So for some reason, they're not doing that, which is why you should come in and do exactly that for your product. And your product is basically similar to the 5 competitors that you found. So you should also get some sales. So for example, if you look at this account right here, basically they're just literally posting tweets. And in the background, they have like a video just to act as a background. But you can see like their videos are getting lots of engagement. And as a result, because they're growing their TikTok page, they're sending people to a Linktree site where they're actually selling a digital product on Gumroad for I think $18. So they're doing exactly what I showed you, except that like they could have been selling it for a higher price if they actually do better in terms of copywriting. And that's the thing, because step 1 was to learn copywriting, you'll learn how to actually sell a product for at least like $30. And think about it, bro. Like you're selling a product for $30. If you're selling a digital product for like $50, you're most likely keeping $25 profit. But you're selling a digital product here for $30. Like that's completely pure profit. Again, step number 3 is just get traffic from TikTok. And like, bro, this isn't that hard. What is going to be hard is just for you to go and find competitors on TikTok who are doing exactly that. And you're just going to come in and like model them again. And I put in the description a Google Doc just so you can go and see what are the accounts that are actually doing exactly this in terms of digital dropshipping and how are they making their content. So what you can do is basically learn from what they're doing and how they're getting views. And once again, model them in terms of content. And to be honest, this is the 3-step plan to making your millions in 2023. So I hope you actually implement this because, bro, physical products, I understand like we made money with them, but if I started with digital products in the past, like, bro, I would be way happier right now. But now one way to actually scale this entire thing is if you actually use Pinterest. So I made a video about trying Pinterest with ClickBank because I'm like, I don't want to make my own product. So I just wanted to try ClickBank as a digital product. So I brought traffic from Pinterest to ClickBank. And if you want to see that video, then you can click right here. And by the way, if you're wondering, like, why don't we just use ClickBank and do affiliate marketing? Well, if you have your own product, you have control of the product and you make 100% of the profit. So like, I think it's a lot better than affiliate marketing because you're growing like an actual business with an email list and customers. So it's completely yours. And I hope you enjoyed this video and benefited.